Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to be creating a lookalike audience. In our past videos we have been taking you from the way around MetaSuite to how to create a local, how to create an international, but today I'll be showing you how to create audience that look like the audience that are already purchasing or buying from you. So with that being said, let's jump right into the video. So this is your MetaSuite, or your ad manager rather. You can see here ad manager, and then you go to your audience. You have to go to your audience, and when you click on the audience, the platform, the audience platform would open up, and then you have this. So when you arrive at this position, you have to create audience. You click on create audience. When you create audience, you can see on the side already, you can see all the audience we have created this past and from the past videos. So today we want to create a lookalike audience. So the first thing is to select a source. So you want to copy a trait that already exists, right? Copy a trait. You can have a value based trait. You can have from other sources. You have like other platforms or other Facebook managers, which I do have, but for now I would like to create a source which is going to be from my costume source on, and you can also have costume audience with customer value. That like you're importing a sheet, that's what you literally do there. So but for today we want to get people who look like our Instagram followers. This is going to be used for a campaign shortly. So I'm trying to get people who look like my Instagram followers for the past 365 years. Note that it's not going to start, the algorithm won't start from the back. It's literally going to start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 down, and it keep moving every single day to expand that audience. So here you have to choose the account. Just because we're managing a lot of clients account, I'm trying to get my own account here. So you can see I have selected people who have followed my profile. Include more people, I can just leave it that way, and I can name it lookalike followers. Lookalike followers. So I can add a description for following campaign or followers campaign. For followers campaign, right? Just write CM for followers camp. So like that, I've created a lookalike audience, and that's it. So I can create this lookalike for people who have use my content, of people who have viewed my content, people who have visited my page. I can create this from pages, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we just cover everything on lookalike audience. So you come back again to lookalike, you go to your source, you go to costume audience, you go to videos. Now people who have watched my videos, I'll just click videos and I'll name it, and I'll produce the audience, and that's what we're going to do right now. Now you can see I have to select the video, the amount of videos. So I love putting it on people who have watched 50% of my video and 25%, and also a true play 15 seconds. So all this, now I have to select a video that can play that role for me. Mentioned earlier, we have quite a number of clients, and that's why you're seeing all of that. So here I'll just select any random video. I don't want to use Facebook page. I want to use my Instagram videos because I have more people who would have watched more videos on Instagram. So I'm just gonna open my Instagram page here, and yeah, I'll just pick any random video. So this for you can choose your best performing video to create a lookalike. Then I have to choose for 25 seconds too. I have to choose for 25 seconds, and I'm picking this. I'm just randomly picking, by the way. And then for true play, I have to pick from Instagram again, and I'm picking this, and I'm picking this. And yeah, with that I will just name it video viewers. So description, video campaign, video camp, as we used to name it. And then like that, I've created an lookalike audience of people who have viewed my videos before now, and I can easily promote my videos to them without any form of stress. And that is that on that. And now I'm going to create a lookalike audience again from an imported source. So here you have to import a CSV. You have the customer value, so you have to import that too. So you have this customers website, your website, you can get customers from your website. You have to have your pixel installed, which we are going to still explain in our further tutorials. For the app activities, you have to have the app installation API on the application you want to install. And then catalog, which is not really available in all the countries. It doesn't work in Africa actually. So you have the offline activities, that's the data, your customer list. You can upload all of those things, and the algorithm will help you generate a lookalike. But what's the point of all this lookalike if you don't know how to use them? So in the next video, I would show you how to create warm and cold campaign. Actually, there are a lot of warm campaigns and there are lots of cold campaigns, because you're going to be creating sales warm, sales cold, reach warm, reach cold, awareness, and different like that for testing. Basically, you use all these things for testing your A or B testing, where you test your ads, you test your ad assets, you test your creatives, you test your budgets, and all of those things during the campaign. And for now, that's basically everything about the lookalike audience. And if you never heard of us before, Soundclaz is an advertising agency that we create tailored campaign to grow your revenue. And for those that would require service, you can easily reach out to us by the description below. Our emails are always attached to it. Also, for those that are new here, I really urge you to click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification. On that note, see you guys in the next video.